Class 7 NCERT Chapter 13 Question checking. Which of the following are not correct? The first is the basic unit of time is second. Second, every object moves with a constant speed. Third, distances between two cities are measured in kilometers. Fourth, the time period of a given pendulum is not constant. Fifth, the speed of a train is expressed in m/h. इनमें से कौन सा स्टेटमेंट इनकरेक्ट है? सेकेंड, सबसे पहले आती है सेकेंड स्टेटमेंट, एवरी ऑब्जेक्ट मूव्स विद अ कांस्टेंट स्पीड. देन फोर्थ, the time period of a given pendulum is not constant. And the fifth, the speed of a train is expressed in m